So, part 3 from The Price of Privilege by Dr. Levine talks about parenting for autonomy. There are 2 chapters. The first chapter, which is chapter 6, How We Connect Makes All the Difference, talks about the 3 parenting styles found in different households. And then it discusses the warmth of a relationship, how positive, encouraging, and inviting the relationship is. And the last thing it discusses is the types of warmth when relationships are too warm or too cold, there are negative consequences, so it talks about these consequences. The next chapter, chapter 7, Discipline and Control, the Tough Job of Being Bad Cop, discusses how affluent parents often struggle with discipline, and it talks about what factors into that. Then it discusses the consequences of this lack of discipline, how these children have negative life consequences when they don't receive discipline growing up. And finally, it gives parents considerations for how to develop good discipline and control in their households. So even though this section is framed in a parent-child relationship, it can be applied to the classroom because teachers have to decide what type of style they want to run the classroom with. They determine the warmth of the classroom when they set up that atmosphere in the beginning of the year. And then they have to decide how they want to balance discipline and control and have a positive relationship with their students through this.